Hello my beautiful people. Bonjour mes amis. This is Margie. Welcome. Today I am sharing how I set up my kitchen island for a beautiful dinner for three. I'm using white, gray with a touch of purple. This video is also part of the monthly color series hosted by Marilyn, with Cindy and Karen co-hosting with her this month. I have the links to their channels as well as the playlist on the description box below. White and gray we slay. Let's see what I did. I was debating using the gray, but it turns out so beautiful and I like it. I hope you like it as well. Please remember to give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Most of the time I use my white dinner plate, and that's what I'm doing again tonight. White dinner plate. And I have this, it's simple, a gray salad plate. And I have two napkins, one gray, like silver, and one white with silver trim on the side. And I put the white inside, and I have like that simple napkin ring, and I slide a purple flower in the middle. And we are using silverware as well. I'm using this beautiful glass. It has silver decor on it. And I have my gorgeous martini glasses that I'm using. We are not having martini tonight. I'm simply using them to eat our dessert. And I have the recipe of the dessert below. It's on my blog. I'll put it below for you as well. Those tea light holders, I got them from Z Gallery last year, and I just put a purple candle inside. I think it's pretty. It's simple, but it's absolutely gorgeous to me. And I have those purple, like that purple arrangement in that white vase, and I have those two silver candle holders on the side. I really like the way my island turns out, and I think it was time to give it some love, so I didn't want to set up the table. I just did. We're going to eat tonight on the island, so it's pretty, it's simple, and I love it. I forgot to mention about my beautiful placemat. They are gray, and I have the white warner as well. I put the white warner before, and then I put the placemat on them. The placemats, they are absolutely gorgeous. It's like they are gray, but if you look at them closer, you will see like some silver in them. Absolutely beautiful. I forgot to mention them. I think everything is pretty. I hope you like it. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, give me a thumb up, and also visit everyone in the playlist. You will be amazed by all these beautiful tablescapes that you're going to see. So give us some love. Thank you, Marilyn. Thank you, Karen. Thank you, Cindy, for the invite. And everyone, thank you so much for watching. You know how much I appreciate you. Thank you for spending your time with me. Merci mes amis. On se voit la semaine prochaine pour une nouvelle vidéo. Let me fix that real quick. Thank you. Bye bye.